how to improve your Google AdSense income. In this video session, Ranke is going to share with you insights that will help you to increase your AdSense revenue. With your Google AdSense code, do keep in mind that AdSense makes available auto ads, also the latest intent-driven formats. You want to utilize them because it will help you to improve your income as well. Income from AdSense. Next, you don't have to be a technically skilled person to optimize your content and your website. But to be able to earn more from your efforts from your website, it's all about driving targeted website traffic. That means whatever the industry that you're creating content for, what you want is you want to go into that Google search box and look at what people are asking. Let's imagine this scenario. Making money with Google AdSense. I'll just show you a couple of examples as I go along. In the drop down box before, we've seen some question oriented word. How to make money with Google AdSense 2023. You see that dates format there? If someone asked this in previous years, that means it's more than likely they will ask that for this year or the next. Date-based targeting is a straightforward process. All you do is create fresh content accordingly. But looking at this search box, you can then say, okay, you know what, can I create a category and then answer these questions using different blog posts? It doesn't have to be for this industry. You do this research for your industry as well. Because this is the goldmine to earning more from Google AdSense. Also, people also ask feature. That's a great potential for you to create content about. Question-oriented words such as what, how, why. This is the goldmine for you to earn more from your website by answering questions that your target audience is asking Google for. Now, let's imagine this scenario. Let's imagine how to earn more money with Google AdSense. If someone asked this question, right? And as you can see, the latest AI features, such as AI overview, provides the answer right there without, people visiting a website. And there's some results here. I'll show you how to take advantage of this. This is how you do it. You create question and answer section. Let's imagine that's the question. You can even use AI to generate quick answers and then modify. Now, to show up here for AI overviews, what you want is you want to quickly and easily create structured data for frequently asked questions. Simply grab the code. Let's imagine this here. Right? Just copy paste. That's the question. And you just provide an answer. Another question, another answer. Quick step-by-step chunks of question and answers will allow you to show up more in Google results as well, including for AI overviews, because Google results are changing and you want to explore structured data, which is the future of Google ranking results. Also, now, when you create content, you have to ask yourself, Are you targeting keywords correctly? Because some keywords pay more compared to others. So if anything, you want to use Google Keyword Planner tool, not some paid keyword, secret program, because none of them get searched. It's only Google that gets searched. And that data is available in Google Ads Keyword Planner tool. You don't have to advertise with Google Ads for you to be able to use Keyword Planner tool. All you need is an Google Ads account. But if you're not doing this research, then you're just targeting some keywords without truly understanding how Google rankings work and how you can earn more money with AdSense. Basically, look at question-oriented words. Create categories or sections that group related content together will allow you to increase your website traffic. Because the more targeted website traffic comes to your website will equal to higher income potential. Also, you have free tools such as Google Search Console that you can easily add your website to analyze its performance and the search results to see what keywords are working, what pages are working better on your website. Now, using Google Search Console at the beginning may seem complex, but Rank Your YouTube channel shows you all the tutorials that you need to take full advantage of Google Search Console. At minimum, what you want is you want to look at search results under performance. And whatever is working better on your website, then you want to create complementary content and focus on that type of keyword. Now, Google AdSense is one part. To be able to earn more, you need to be consistent in terms of content publishing. Remember that. And optimizing content is actually a straightforward process. It doesn't matter what type of content management system you're using. All you do is provide a title, categorize it correctly, use original content as best that you can. If you're using SEO plugins, give it a title and unique meta description describing what the page is all about. Remember, quality of your website will improve everything related to Google. For these question-oriented words, all I need to do is answer the question. Make it easy for people to find the answer to this question. So, regardless of the industry that you're participating in, these are the fundamentals of increasing Google AdSense revenue. Furthermore, you don't have to just rely on Google AdSense if you've got quality content. Let's imagine you're driving targeted website traffic and you've got Google Ads happening, but you want to increase your income, correct? If that's the case, be proactive to outreach to local businesses that may benefit by showing ads on your website, as in sponsored ads, whether they are image ads or text ads and so on. Also, if you want to increase your income from your content, then not only you can contact local businesses to advertise on your website, you may actually sign up with affiliate marketing as well. So what you want is you want to cover many different angles when you want to earn more money from the content that you're creating. If you're creating YouTube videos, then you can actually use Google AdSense for YouTube as well through YouTube Partner Program. Okay, so simply search Google YouTube Partner Program and sign up for monetizing your videos as well. In fact, if you're putting out YouTube videos, then your website should be embedding your YouTube videos, because then you'll increase your earnings as well as an AdSense for YouTube. Because I hardly advertise on, I don't really make money from Google AdSense on Rank Your Blog because I've got different income streams. But if I want to increase it, then I need to put out more content, better content, target more keywords. And also if I'm with YouTube, which Rankia is, then I want to showcase the videos on my website as well. So basically you hit, two birds with one stone if you're using YouTube monetization. You simply connect your AdSense to YouTube. So this is how you can easily improve your earning potential from Google AdSense. Remember, as long as you have the quality content, AdSense is not the only place for you to earn an income. Not only you can do affiliate marketing on your website because you're driving targeted website traffic, you can perhaps have your own products or courses or PDFs or manuals, something useful that your website visitors are willing to pay money for. As long as you follow Google guidelines, and as long as you're learning from digital experience you can trust, which is Rank Your YouTube channel and Rank Your Blog, I assure you that your income will increase on internet. I thank you for learning with Rankia. If you benefited from this video session and you got your friends who are using AdSense and so on, please share this video with them, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.